Hey everyone, welcome back to Unboxing a Brand. My name is Shirley and this is Felix. He is currently 9 months old. So today we're going to be unboxing 2 huge boxes of diapers from Healthynest. Healthynest was so kind to send these boxes to me to unbox and review for you guys. This is not a sponsored video or anything. They just sent these to me free of charge for my honest opinion. Okay, so let's go ahead and dive right into the boxes. There's one huge box down here. You can't really see, it's off camera, but let's just start with one of them first. I'm going to go ahead and set Felix down because I'm going to be needing both hands. So we'll start off with the box. Okay, it says Healthynest on the front, and on the top of the box here it says pull to open, so I don't actually need to use a knife or anything, which is great because you might cut into your diaper if you use something sharp. So I'm just gonna go ahead and open that, and then when you open it, whoa, so colorful. Because baby is soaking it all in. Developed for healthy brains, only plant-based materials touch baby skin, food grade quality standards is what it says here. When you open up the box, there's a layer of cardboard here that's printed. I'm going to take that out. This is what that looks like. There's little lines here and you're supposed to cut them, and I guess you can piece them together like little puzzles and build something with these. That's super cool. There's another layer after that, and these are your wipes. Look how cool this is. Look at this tray. It's so nicely made. When you place your order for the diaper bundle, you have 2 different options of wipes. You can choose either the wet wipes or you can also choose the dry wipes. And I chose both because I wanted to see how these work. Not tested on animals, responsibly made in the USA. Do not flush, discard, wipe in trash. Just add water to make your own totally natural wet wipes. Pure organic cotton, no added solution, closest to homemade. These are of course a lot more convenient if you're used to using wet wipes on your baby. We have a wipe warmer, so I'm probably gonna go ahead and cut this open and put it in a wipe warmer. Oh, and you know what else I noticed? There's no plastic lid here, unlike a lot of other wipes. There's still a resealable lid here, but there's not that big chunky plastic piece here. So less plastic, better for the environment. Even their wipes are EWG verified. Okay, so these are the wipes, and your diapers are at the bottom of the box. So there are 4 packs in here, and we chose size 5. Size 5 for Healthynest is good for 22 to 37 pounds, and there are 40 diapers in here. And then on here also says 12-hour protection. Ultra soft diapers, plant-based materials for baby skin. On top it says made without chlorine, bleaching, fragrance, parabens, lotions, latex, dioxins, or phthalates. And it's made in the EU. Oh my goodness, how fancy. And then on the side of the diapers, there's a label here that says we are the first EWG verified diaper, which means we disclose every detail of our material list. See below. And then there's a whole list of all the things that they use. I'm not going to read it out loud because there's a lot. So one thing I've learned about diapers, no matter which brand you choose, of course, there's always going to be a suggested weight for the size of the diapers. And what I learned is that you don't have to wait until your baby hits that top weight to change to the next size. You can usually tell by your baby having way too many blowouts in a week, and just like that feeling that the diaper is not big enough. So that's when you should be sizing up. So you shouldn't wait until your baby hits that maximum weight limit on your diapers to go up a size. So that's one thing I learned. Okay, so I'm gonna set this aside and open up the next box because the next box of diapers are a little bit different than this box here. All right, so this is the second box. This one, there are only 3 packets in here, and each packet has 40 diapers, just like the other one. However, there is a slight difference. I'm comparing the 2 here. You can see that the shapes are a little bit different. They're both size 5s, but the size and shape of the bags that the diapers come in are a little bit different. And it doesn't say on the front what type of diaper it is. That's silly. Ultra soft diaper. Oh, okay, there we go. So, yeah, baby. The first diaper that we opened, underneath their logo, it says Ultra Soft Diapers, Plant-Based Materials for Baby Skin. On the second bag / second box that we opened, it says Ultra Soft Diaper Pants, Plant-Based Materials for Baby Skin. So these are diaper pants / pull-ups. I think pull-ups might be trademarked by, I don't know, Huggies or something. Maybe that's why they can't call it pull-ups. But I just recently found out that your baby can wear pull-up diapers anytime. Or maybe I should say pant diapers. You don't have to wait until they are being potty trained to use these like diaper pants diapers, you can use them anytime. So they make them in smaller sizes too. So if your baby is a little bit younger and you want to try the diaper pants, you can go ahead and do that. The reason why I wanted to try this is because Felix currently is just really loving rolling around. So when he's placed on the changing table, he just rolls off to his side and sometimes also to his stomach. So he gives me a hard time sometimes on the changing table, and with like the normal traditional diaper where you have to like tab the two little tabs on the front, like he just doesn't want to wait that long. He doesn't have the patience. So I want to see like if these pant style diapers will work better for him, because it doesn't matter really which position he's facing, I can just like pull him up. So that's my rant about pant diapers. Okay, so let's actually go ahead and open up and take a look at these diapers. Whoa, these are huge. Oh, so cute. So this is the pant diaper. They're just like, you know, like diaper underwear. And on the front, it says Healthynest. And let me see if there's a size indicator anywhere in here. Huh, not really. From the looks of it, it looks like the logo should be on the back, maybe. And this is how you wear it. It's very soft. And I'm really curious to try it, and let's see what Felix thinks of these diapers. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and open up the other one as well, so that we can compare. Oh, these are so cute. I see some birds, some prints on this one, so pretty. And it looks like Healthynest, the logo is on the back, because when you turn around, this is where like the little pull tabbies are. This is actually pretty thin. I wonder how absorbent this will be. Here's a look at these side by side. So this one is the pant diaper and this one is the normal diaper. And there you go. There's the difference there. Okay, well, let's take a look at the wipes. These are really hard to open. Ooh, okay. So there you go. And we'll just take one out. Doesn't smell like anything. And I like the wetness of it. It's a little bit textured to help you pick up poop. So there you go, that's the texture, and it's a good size. Yeah, it's kind of stretchy. I think these are a little bit narrower than some of the wipes that we're used to, but I think it should be fine. I think it's narrower and longer. And then I'm gonna open up the dry wipes. I'm so curious to try these. I've never tried dried wipes before. These wipes are shrink wrap, so just make sure you throw away obviously all of the plastic and don't let your baby play with it. But these are the dry wipes, and they come in this like little paper box. So you just push one end and you just kind of open it up like a little drawer, and here are your wipes. Whoa, they're not textured like the wet wipes, and they're a little bit smaller too. So here's the difference between the wet wipe and then the dry wipe. These wipes remind me of like hospital grade wipes. I know they sell them on Amazon. Like if you wanted to use these wipes for like cleaning your newborn or something, these are great. And I don't know if I want to use dry wipes for diapers though, but let's see, because you have to add your own water. On the box is 100% organic cotton dry wipes. There are 80 of them in here for the dry wipes, and the wet wipes, there are 64. Well, we made these specifically for babies' cleansing and diapering needs. They are so soft and gentle, they can be used to clean baby's mouth, eyes, hands, and face. Oh, interesting. And these are made in California. Okay, and then it says biodegradable within 365 days in landfill. So that's cool. These wet wipes are also made in the USA. I'm really looking forward to using all of those. Actually, we don't... All right, maybe I should pick him up. I was just gonna say that we don't actually bathe Felix every day. The pediatrician says that it's not good for baby skin to bathe him every day, so we bathe him about every other day, sometimes every 3 days. And in between, these will be great wipes to just like clean his face and clean his hands. And you know, also he's teething now. He has 2 bottom teeth, so you can actually so you can probably also just wet it and like clean their gums as well if you need to. Okay, so let's give these diapers a try and we'll let you know what we think of them. After using up these diapers and wipes, I was thoroughly impressed with the quality. Once Felix started eating solids, he was more prone to diaper rashes. I felt so great putting these clean diapers on our baby, knowing that this is the best out there for his skin. And his rash would often clear up in a matter of days. Although the diapers felt thin when I first opened them, they had great absorbency and we didn't really have any issues. I also fell in love with the idea of the pant diapers after trying these out. I now swear by them. Especially for nighttime, they're much easier to put on. I plan on placing another order for them because I really loved using them. I also found
found that for some reason pant-style diapers for babies are a little bit hard to find. I went up and down the aisle at Target and also at our local supermarket, and they only had pull-ups for toddlers. Since filming this video, it seems like the company has changed its name to Healthybaby, and after scrolling around on their website, I see that they now also have cloth diapers. They also have skincare and cleaning supplies and prenatal vitamins for soon-to-be moms. If you were curious about how much these diapers cost, as of the making of this video, they have several different options. They have a monthly diaper bundle for $105. They have the pull-up style diaper bundle, which are the diaper pants, for $72. And then they also have a newborn gift bundle. This would be a great gift to give for a new mom. They also sell their diapers and wipes individually instead of bundles if you wanted to purchase that way. And then they also have swim diapers and cloth diapers as well.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this unboxing and review of Healthynest, and thank you again Healthynest for sending these diapers and wipes to us to review and unbox. If you have any questions or comments, leave it in the comment section below, and until next time, I'll see you in the next video. Bye! Bye bye YouTube! See you next time!